Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY. It's going to be a very easy project. I'm not a person that can sew, but this is so easy that, you know, I could do it, so I'm sure anyone could do it. So here where I live, the winters are really harsh, and of course we wear our winter hats to keep us warm. But when you have hair like mine and grays and natural hair, it's really hard when you have to put these things on your head and it causes breakage and there's really nothing to protect your hair. So I looked online for satin lined winter hats and they are pretty expensive. So I'm just like, okay, well, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the sellers that's making them. I'm like, this looks kind of easy. I think I can do this. So I actually went out to Walmart, of course, you guys, and I bought everything that I needed. And I actually did it. I actually lined Grayson's hat in satin. Here's his hat. And it depends on the style hat too you use. You can do any style. But for Gray's hat, it's like a little toddler Columbia hat. Here's his hat. And you can see the stitching around it. It doesn't look bad when it's on his head. So, you know, it doesn't even look bad now, but it doesn't look that bad. And his hair is protected. And here's the satin cap that's on the inside of his hair. And now we no longer have to put his do-rag on when we do his hair, and then he has to put his hat on, because I know you guys probably noticed that in a lot of our videos that we put a do-rag on Gray when we're leaving, and then once we get where we are, we take the do-rag off, because his hat, it, you know, see the material, it just makes his hair really dry, and then I don't know, I just don't want breakage. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. You can use any kind of hat. I purchased this one at Walmart and this one at Walmart. They're not expensive at all. This one was $2.88, and this one I thought was really cute and it matches my scarf. It's $5.97. And I got this hat just to see what it would be like because of the little fold that you have, because the stitching can go there and then you can fold it up and then no one will see that it's stitched. You need a satin cap, of course. This was $1.46, I believe, at Walmart. I got these sewing needles. Let's see if you guys can see them. Sewing needles from Walmart. I don't remember how much they were. I think they were like $2 or $1. I don't remember. You're gonna need safety pins to hold the satin cap in place. And while you're sewing it, I'm losing my pieces. And then thread. Now I got black thread because they didn't have red or gray for Gray's hat, but it ended up working. And as you guys, like I said, you can see it doesn't look that bad. And when it's on his head, it doesn't look bad at all. But I didn't mind it on the darker color hats because I'm sure it'll probably blend in really well. You will need scissors as well to cut the banding off of the cap if you want. You don't have to, but I mean, you can. I didn't cut it off of Gray's, but I probably will. I may not, I don't know. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, that's it. Hopefully you guys could see everything that I did. I was trying my hardest to work this little camera or my phone on this little tripod, and you guys seen gray pop up in the video a few times. So that's all it really is. This is a hat. You can't see the stitching, and I had black. This is gray. I like it. I mean, I love it. You guys, I didn't spend nothing on it. I just made my own hat, and I made one for gray. So like, look at how much that saves. Like, you guys, come on. So I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. The better I get, I will make another one, and hopefully I have a little bit more a better equipment for that video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one. I hope you guys can see, like, I tried to get it angled. I tried to let you guys see me sewing, and like I said earlier, you guys, I am not a sewer, but this was so easy for me and I love it. And I know now that me and my son can go outside and our hair is fine. We're not, you know, letting the material rub off or whatever. I mean, not the material rub off, but we're not causing any breakage to our hair from the material of the hat, because we have our satin caps inside. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. I hope it works for you guys. It was really fun to make. I love doing it. It feels like, oh my gosh, I know what I'm doing. Like, I really feel like I'm sewing. And yes, you guys, I did poke my finger twice. I don't know if you guys can tell that. And sorry for my nails, because they're like beat up. I need to get my nails done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Also, hit the notification bell before you leave so you can be notified on new videos that I update. And this is just the beginning of many more DIYs for the holiday season. Thanks, guys.